This is Mrs. Reister with lesson 4.3, example 2. Jared rents bowling shoes for $6 and pays $5 per bowling game. Fill in the table and graph the relationship. Is the relationship a proportional relationship? And then we will explain why or why not. So let's first begin by filling in our table. We know that he pays $5 per game, and we have to pay an extra $6 for our bowling shoes. So if we are going to bowl 2 games, we're going to take 5 times 2, and then we're going to add the $6 for the shoes. So it would cost us $16 for 2 games. For 3 games, it's going to cost us $21. And then here we've got the total cost being $31, which if we take the $6 away from that for our shoes, we've got $25, and 5 times 5 is 25. So we know that for 5 games, it would cost us $31. So we've got our completed table here. So now let's plot our points on our graph. So for 1 game, it costs us $11. Very hard to see here. For 2 games, 16. So that's going to be right above here. This would be 15, so just above that. 3 games is $21. And 5 games is $31. So when I connect the points, I notice that my line, while it is a straight line, it does not go through the origin. Therefore, the relationship between y and x, it is not constant. So we would consider this not proportional.